it's Ms. Cynthia, and welcome to my video about searching our library catalog and placing a hold on an item. This is an updated video tutorial about using our school library catalog. You can access our catalog from anywhere by computer at any time, and your first step is to navigate to the catalog's URL. And here I've given you a couple of options. You can either go to the URL for the district at santarosacity.fallatdestiny.com and select our school from the menu, or you can use the bit.ly shortcut I've set up to take you right to our library catalog. It's bit.ly/SRCSA-library. Either way, you'll arrive at our school catalog, and be sure to spend some time exploring the various collections, including links to read-alouds and to ebook resources. They're located just below the welcome message area. Okay, the focus of this video is searching for items in our catalog and then placing a hold, so you'll need to log in. Click on the login link in the upper right corner of the screen. Input your username and password and click the blue Submit button. And remember, under the login conventions recently rolled out by the school district, your username is your school email address and your password is your student ID number. And now here is our landing page with a patron logged in. And in the bar at top, input your search term and hit the green search button to the right. This patron input the search term new kid in quotation marks, and you may notice 3 tabs among the displayed returns. Those tabs are books, collections, and databases. First up on the left is books, where a search brought back 12 results. You can see some of them here on this slide. Each of the books has a ribbon over its cover, either a green ribbon saying in or a red ribbon saying out. It's a great way to tell at a glance if an item is available. If you click on the cover of a book, it flips around and shows more information, including the book's call number and its sublocation in our library. New Kid by Jerry Craft has a call number of GN 741.5 CRA, and its sublocation is graphic novels. Clicking on the green More Details button brings up more information still, including a summary of the book and, under related stuff, similar titles from our library. These books too have green or red banners indicating if they are in or out. Just next to those results, a tab marked Awards will bring up a list of various honors bestowed upon that title. The second tab will display any results from your search among collections, which are sets of resources that can include web pages, images, documents, ebooks, and more. I mentioned a couple of collections that are featured on our catalog at the beginning of this video. In this case, the search for New Kid turned up 9 results among collections. With the third tab, Destiny Discover pulled in results from databases. It found 1 resource from Britannica Elementary School and 26 resources from Teaching Books. Clicking on the tiles for the different databases brings up their results. Here is the result from Britannica Elementary School, and here are the first listings from Teaching Books. Let's go back and take a look at our results among books. Click on the green hold link just under the book's cover to place a hold on the book that interests you. So what happens after you place a hold on an item through our catalog? Well, the next time I go to work and log in to Fall at Destiny, The catalog will notify me that there are local materials to be pulled. Once I locate the item and check it out to you, it will be ready for pickup. Now, the pickup of items may need special arrangement depending upon current access to our library. These past few months, we've been piloting remote holds and checkout by our middle school students. We've been sending the books home with instructional materials during our school's distribution days. Well, folks, that's it. I want to thank you for watching this updated and revised video. I hope that it has empowered you to search for books in our catalog and place holds on the items that interest you.